Hello, am I audible? Let me see. Yeah, I am. How was the contest class? मैंने तो मतलब नहीं दिया था, so I will just give it virtually now. But you can tell me how was the contest in the comments if anyone is watching the video. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहा है यार ये? Join now. In the score differences, okay. You're given an integer array nums where nums are represent the points scored by the art player. There are exactly two players initially. The first player is active, second player is inactive. First player is active, second is inactive. Okay. Rules are if num size is odd, uh, the active and inactive players swap positions. Okay. In every six indices, okay, they swap roles again. Active player I plays the ith game and gains num size point. Return the score difference defined as the first player total minus second player total. Okay. Okay. So the first player is active. So first is player. Second is what am I writing? Inactive score for the first one. And we can do for score for the second one. For I and range length of nums, if I plus 1 mod 6 will equal to 0, then we swap roles. So if first, then we do first is equal to false, and second is equal to true. Else, else it's second. So second will be false and first will be true. Or अगर if nums of I, what is this? Modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Then we swap roles again. So we do the same thing. And here we will just check if first, then we do 1 plus nums I, else we do 2 plus nums I. This is it, right? Come on. Why is it taking so much time? Uh, what the hell is this? 0, 4 minus 1. 0, 4 minus 1. That is correct, I guess. Unknown network error. What is going on? मेरा नेट नहीं चल रहा है. अरे यार, VPN connected है. Fuck. Yeah, it's connected. I mean, it's accepted. Connected, क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं? Check dictatorial permutation. You're given an integer n. A number is called dictatorial if the sum of the factorials of its digit is equal to the number itself. Okay. Determine whether any permutation of n, okay, including the including the original order forms a dictatorial number. So we can rearrange n. Hmm. 1, 4, 5. ठीक है. We can only rearrange if there are like the numbers present in that factorial sum, right? Hmm. So if it's like x, y, z, then it can be z, y, x, whatever, but that number should be present there. And the frequency also. The frequency should also be the same, right? If x is there twice, then it should be there twice in the original number as well. So yeah, I will need a what is the okay, and you 10 key or 9. No, but it will work. At most it will go to yeah, it will work. Def fact x answer is equal to 1 for I in range 1 comma x plus 1 answer multiplied equal to I and we return answer. What is this? RET URN. Return the answer. Uh, wait. Okay. Val will be 0. S is equal to. Let's make this a string. For CH and S, num is and CH, and we'll just add this in fact num. How do we check? We can check with a frequency map, right? Hmm. Val string will be str of vals. Hmm. Let's check the length first. If length of val s not equal to length of s, then it's return false. Else we need frequency maps. So one for the original number and the other for the factorial sum, right? So for CH and S, what is this? If CH and freak one, then freak one CH plus equal to one. Else freak one CH will be one. This is one. For CH and VALS, if CH and freak two, freak 2 CH will be plus 1 and 3 2 CH will be 1. Now we will just check for P comma val and week 1. भाई क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं dot items. So for key comma val and frequent dot items, what we will check? पहले हम लोग को देखेंगे कि if the key is available in frequency 2, if key not in freq 2 or अगर available है then the value of that key, right? Or freq 2 key is not equal to val, we return false. Else अगर सब कुछ सही है then we return true, right? यार फिर से नेटवर्क एरर आ रही है मेरे को. What is going on? Okay, 10 पे इस पे 145 पे true and 10 पे false. Nice, nice. Third question. You're given two binary strings S and T, each of length n, so they are the same length. You can rearrange the character of P in any order, but S must remain unchanged. Okay? So we can rearrange T. Return a binary string of length n, representing the maximum integer value obtained by taking the bitwise OR of S and T. What? Isn't this really easy for a third question? Wait. So XOR works like if it's true, true, it will make it false. If it's false, false, it will make it false. But if it's true, false, it will make it true. And if it false, true, it will make it true, right? मतलब zero, 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 one पे. So basically, we need to find zero, one पे from the start, from start. We just need to keep track of zeros and one, right? This seemed really easy. Zero is equal to zero, one equal to one, and so for ch and t, if ch double equal to one, we do one plus equal to one, else we do 0 plus equal to 1. So we need to form the string first. New string for CHNS. So S में iterate करते हैं. So now we'll just check कि if it's 0, we'll try to put a 1 there. And if it's 1, we'll try to put a 0 there. Right? For CH and S, if CH is equal to 1, then we check if R0 is greater than 0. Then 0 को पहले हम लोग -1 करेंगे and new will be 0. Else, else में हम लोग को 1 डालना पड़ेगा because we don't have any 0 left, right? And new में 1 ऐड कर देंगे. So elif में if ch double equal to 0, then we'll check if 1 is greater than 0, then we'll do 1 minus equal to 1. New में will add 1 and else में we will do 0 minus equal to 1. Uh, this should give us the string, right? Wait, let me print it. Print new. Optimal arrangement is 0, 1, 1. Standout में आ रहा है 0, 1, 1. Okay. Optimal arrangement is 1, 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 1. Wait. Optimal arrangement is 1, 0, 1, 0. Standout में है 1, 0, 1, 0. Nice. That's working. Now I just need to make the answer, right? Answer string is this. R is equal to 0 while I less than length of S. So there will be total 4 cases, right? If S of I is double equal to 1 and nu of I is double equal to 0. तो we add आंसर में हम लोग ऐड करेंगे 1. Elif s of I is 1. What is this? What is this? The fuck is this? And nu of I is also 1. Then we'll add 0 in the answer. Elif s of I is 0 and nu of I is 1. Then we will add 1. Else me. Else me we'll just add 0, right? Yeah, this is the final case. And then I just written answer. Come on. Oh, wait. मैंने I बढ़ाया ही नहीं. I is equal to 1. So the output is 110. Output is 110. Output is 1101. 1101. And the third one, output is 4 times 1, 4. It's working. It's working. Wow, I'm getting a fucking wrong answer now. Is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. Spanned out में 1 आ रहा है. Output में 1 आ रहा है. Why I'm getting 1 here? What? अरे यार मैंने 1 से क्यों इनिशियलाइज किया है? Wait. Let me use this one. It should be 0, right? Yeah, it's 0 now. Nice. Accepted. Oh, this was really easy for third question, to be honest. Fourth तो होने वाला नहीं है अपने से. What is this? You given an integer array nums and integer start with val equal to 1 and process nums from left to right at each point in left. You must use exactly one of the following. Multiply val by num divide val by num leave val unchanged. Huh? After processing all the value, consider it equal to k only if it's the wait. एक second. ये val with 1 and at every point we have 3 options. Multiply. Bro, क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं? Multiply it by nums I, divide it by nums I, or leave it unchanged. So this is I plus 1. This is just DP, right? This is just DP where we are checking. It looks like a DP code. Wait, let me try to do it. Return solve 0, comma 1. Def solve idx index comma val. So if idx double equal to length of nums if idx double equal to length of nums, then we check if val double equal to k. We return 1, else we return you return 0, right? And ईपी में क्या स्टोर कराऊंगा मैं? इंडेक्स कॉमा वैल if idx comma val in dp and return dp idx. तो केसेस क्या होंगी? मल्टीप्लाई में मल्टीप्लाई मल्टीप्लाई भाई क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? सॉल्व वी विल डू idx plus 1 idx plus 1 तो कम ही करेंगे कॉमा val will be val multiplied by nums of current idx, right? अरे डिवाइड वाले में divi is equal to solve idx plus 1 comma val divide by nums idx. Wait, uh yeah, you're right. और एक होगा skip part, right? We are just skipping, तो इसमें तो सिर्फ simple solve idx plus 1 comma val will be unchanged and dp of idx comma val will be multi multiply plus divide plus skip, and we just return dp of rg. Is this it? I'm getting 2. The answer is 2. I'm getting 1, but the answer is not 1. The answer is 2. So for this I'm getting 3. V-val NT. Is it like this division? Short division. Now I'm getting 3. Now I'm getting 2. Now I'm also getting 2. For the first 535. अरे यार ये डिवाइड में ही कुछ हो रहा है I guess इसमें. What kind of division it want? Return the current distinct equation. Division is rational, exact, not integer division. For example, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Fraction division. How do you do fraction division? How do you do fraction division in Python? This is the decimal division, right? तो या फिर मैं इसको भी डेसिमल में भेजूं 0.0 करके. Then what will be the answer? इसका एक्सपेक्टेड ये क्या है? इसका एक्सपेक्टेड कितना है? एक्सपेक्टेड इज 3. Still 0. No. Fraction division. Fraction division. I don't really know. I think the code is correct. The logic is correct. It's just that कि इसको कैसे करना है फाइनल val is equal to I think I'll have to see the printers. How to do fraction division in Python. Dividing fraction in Python is actually pretty straightforward, especially if you use a built-in fraction module. So from fraction import fractions. Okay, I can use this. Wait. So yeah, mouse की तरफ से आया. So this will be FCGIN fraction val comma nums idl. Both arguments should be rational instances. Probably should be rational instances. मतलब I don't really understand. See, let's go. Okay, we are getting. I'm still getting 3 though. I'm still getting 2. I'm still getting 2. 5, 3, 5. ऐसे ही करना है इसको यार. There's a subtle issue here. Let's break down. Coding division, then process of fraction. But I tried this. Or did I not try it? I don't know. What is this error? अच्छा, I think ये अगर fraction में तो इसको भी fraction में भेजना पड़ेगा. Wait. Yeah. Oh, now it's working. What the fuck? Was that it? What the? Why it actually got accepted. So the logic was correct. This is the first time like I've did all four questions. What is my rank? And virtually. What the Bashar's virtual rank? It's crazy. But like what is the alternative of this fraction? What the alternative of a fraction function? If you want to avoid fraction, there's a few alternatives. So I can use GCD. That's simplifying the format then. You can represent a fraction as a pair of num, comma, then numerator, comma, denominator, and write your own operations. Simplify the GCD of this and this return. Will control no extra module cons. You have to implement, add, subtract, multiply, divide, simplify yourself. तो ओके सब कुछ अपने से करना पड़ेगा डेसिमल डिवीजन अच्छा तो this is the same as using oh there is a rational also rational 3 comma 4 let's use rational actually let's see if that works will this work rational is not defined तो इसको मुझे probably import करना पड़ेगा okay whatever fine let me see how to use the GCD one numerator denominator def divide num is equal to multiplied by b to 1 भाई आई वांट सी वेट इसको मैं कोड ही भेजता हूँ ना implement the GCD one and this तो अगर ये GCD से करेगा तो ठीक है recursive DP की इतने अच्छा यूज बना दिया है कॉमा डेंट ये डेंट डेंट क्या चल रहा है डिनोमिनेटर में ये मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है ड्यूटी ठीक है। 10 divided by G. G is the GCD of both of them. I don't really understand this, to be honest. Okay. Key point fractions are represented as numerator and denominator triples. ठीक है. Every operation is simplified using GCD to avoid huge number to ensure that DP keys are consistent. ठीक है. Compare with key is done. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Avoid floats entirely. नम कॉमा अच्छा. ओके ओके. मैं समझ गया. तो दोनों को इसने वन से इनिशियलाइज किया है यहाँ पे. ओ. भाई. I'm just glad there is a fraction function in CP in Python. Wait, let me see some solutions. How do you see solution? अरे यार it's virtual contest ना तो मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगा solutions इसके. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna close it now.